Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. This is a day 3 in Python from basic to advanced. If this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. So without wasting time, let's start. Today, firstly we will discuss about a arithmetic. Okay? So as we know how to write a heading with the firstly we select this tags, then we write with hashtag. With a hashtag, is it like a bolding has come? Yeah, so it's a arithmetic operation. So firstly, first arithmetic operation is first add. So firstly we have to define a variable in which we store an integer value so that we do a adding or we perform our arithmetic operation. So after storing this in the a variable we store a 2 and in the b variable we store a 5. Okay, so now we add a plus b. So as when we print our a, it gives us the output that's a 7. Just see that. Yeah, as you see there's the output is 7. And second arithmetic operation we is performing is a subtraction. As we know that uh, we subtract a minus b, as we know that these are the variables in which integer values are stored, so it will give us a direct, and when we write a subtract it give us a minus 3. Now third is the multiplication. Firstly we give us this heading, and a multiply b, and then when we print a mul multiply, so that give us the answer what it store in it. And as you see that the 10 is the answer, 5 and 2 is the store value in the a and b. Now fourth is a divisor. How we do? Let's see. We whatever the variable div we write and in which we store this, and when we write a print this, it will give us a what's a division. And fifth is now fifth is a floor division. Floor division ultimately nothing else but is like it's a division but it round up the value, not give us in the float form. It gives only a integer form, and it's a doesn't give us a decimal value. Just see, for this we use the double a floor division, we use the double hashtag. Okay, not this not hashtag, the divide sign. Okay, and the sixth is reminder. When we want to know what's a reminder in it, so we define this, and we use this symbol. This is that symbol we use, and when we write a reminder, we give us a answer what is it. And seventh is seventh is exponential. For exponential, which symbol is used? Double, multiply, double star, which is in that. Let's see this. This we use here, and when we write word section, it comes automatically, right? It's just like a power. 5 to the power 2, it gives us the 5 into 1 5, 525. Now, eighth, so it's an arithmetic operators has completed now. Now the comparison operator is coming. In the comparison operator is just like is it true or is it not, whatever we are doing. So we ask them, so it check it and then answer is it true statement or a false statement. Just like that, we store in a and v is the same value, so we ask from this, uh, is it a equals to v, it's give us true, yes. Now uh, now we store different values, and then we ask him, is it equal or not. Then it reflects us, it reflects us, no, it's not a equal value, it gives us the answer false. Yeah. Now I will learn you some different thing. By this you easily distinguish between the string and integer. Let's see. We store in a is 100, that's an integer. In a v, that's a string, so we multiply this. So as we know that string and integer can't be multiplied, but when we multiply, so it runs a string, it's 100 times, it give us the output of a string 100 times, because we store a in an integer. How many, what's a integer value? That's times we gives a b is the integer. Just like that, in it here also b is the integer 5, so and a is the integer a, and it gives us the 5 times of the string. Now if we do a, just like we think that it's a multiplication or division, so I will give you some example here. We divide, but in it here it give us an error. Now we store in a and b is a string. Now we print, it's we do a multiply, but it can't be happen because both strings can't be multiply. We multiply a integer value, can't be the strings, so it gives the error because strings can't be multiplied, it's a non-integer value. Okay, integer value is a multiply, not a string. And next we print a plus b, we do a addition, but it's not addition, it's a concatenation. It's just a one, what's the store in a it's just like a place together, a with 1 and b has a 3, so it plays together, is it's called a concatenation. as we store the c plus v, that gives us a, if you think that it's not a addition, it's a concatenation, it plays together. If we ask this, what's the type of this, it's give the string, not integer. Now we move forward. We will discuss about the upper value, how to convert any sentence into the upper words and lower casting words, right? So how we can do this? But in it, some uh, trick is also in it. Not a trick, it's a, some concept is behind it. So I will tell you, I will learn you. Just see. Upper, but it's not work, because if you write all alphabetically order upper, it doesn't work. And if you if you write the first upper and then small letters, it also doesn't work. Just see, I'm performing this because of you doesn't do this mistake. Now we write this all small letters, then it perform. If you see there, it gives all in the capital letters. But it's it's a one concept behind it. It's not change. It's not change it personally, but because that if you have seen that, it's just changed for displaying, for a purpose it changes, but not for ultimately. Okay, the actuality is as it is its actuality is not it's changing, it's only display. If you see that the lower, it just change for our display, not for actuality. When we write it's good, it reflects us what's its actuality. Okay, why this, we can just give us for a one matlab for display purpose. Now we move forward. Strips. What is strips? If you doesn't know, I will tell you. It's just like a remove the space, it's called a strip. R strips is the remove the space from the right side. L strips, it remove the space from the left side. And if you use a strip, it remove the space either from right or either from a left. And it also use for like not only for a space. If you want to remove any word in the right side or left side, you can use why this. You just see, I'm see, I will see you. You have seen there, I am use the R strip, and in it here, if with this gap, if you have seen, yeah, by the R strip, its gap has not seen, but in the actuality is not. Okay, it's just for a displaying, but its actuality is as it is. What's the if you have seen here is yeah, it's space, it's backend space, is it present here as it is. Even we have used R strip, but it's for only a displaying purpose, not actually. Okay, and now we perform L strip. We do a space in it here in the left side. Yeah, in the left side. So we perform a L strip. Okay, just see. It space is removed fully, not, but I have use here print. That's why it doesn't reflect the inverted commas. By this we have seen the space, but no problem. I have seen this concept in further. For this time I move forward. Okay, so now I move further, but this concept I will see you for nextly. If you see that, yeah, then we write the quote second. This space, yeah, this space has present already, because of that it's only for displaying purpose, not for actuality. Actuality is as it is. Right now we use the strip, why the strip, if you have seen, but we use the print, so that's why the inverted comma is not coming here. So I am right without a print, so that it gives a properly we distinguish where the stripping is working or not, right? Yeah. Now we L strip. Okay, we doesn't use here print, so that we have seen the inverted comma. Is it a strip work here or not? If you have seen, yeah, that's there the spacing in the left side it has removed for only displaying, okay, not for actually. But the right side stripping has not removed because we have not applied the r strip or a strip. Okay, but when we use the print, its inverted comma has go. Yeah, that's why we doesn't conclude is the stripping is working or not. Okay, now we move further. Quit 4. In it, now we will perform. uh, I will learn you how to remove the words. We can also remove the any word or mm, anything. If you want from the left side or right side, if you want to remove, you can remove with the strips. Okay, but just just side of the inverted comma, it's compulsory. If you see, I have, this is not a just a side of invert, it's there a space between this. So if you have seen, firstly it's not working. Let's see. We are right here r strip, right side we want to remove this dollar sign. Okay, and the l strip, in the left side we want to remove the $10. Okay, if you have seen here, $10 is removed because it just side of the double merit comma, but dollar sign is not removed because it not just side the dollar inverted comma, because in it in between there is a space. We have to remove this space, then it's work it, then both will remove. But this is only for displaying purpose, not the actuality. Actuality is same as it is. Okay, so I think I want to give you a one homework. If you want to do, you will remove from this, and with you will remove this stars from the left side, and you will remove this hashtag. Okay, I want to see what's your answer. You just command me, or either I will post a video by which you get what its answer. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, and if you have any suggestion, and any question, any doubt, you just comment below. And please like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram, tag with Vaishnavi. So bye.